Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. You know what it is? It's a Calvin Klein bag, and I buy this on Goodwill on this price. I like Calvin Klein brand, by the way, but they don't pay me for this video. If somebody from Calvin Klein watching me now, please let me know about this. And also, maybe we actually also cooperate, and for next time you can pay me. It's original price with discount. Somebody buys this, but unfortunately, don't worry, and it's absolutely new. And finally, it's in Goodwill, and finally, it's on my studio. And finally, guess what? I'm making my own painting, my own design with this bag. If you're interested, please like, thumbs up, and keep watching. So let's start with sketch. I'm making sketching first, and you see I make it with very light color. Why? Because if I change my mind, it can be much more easy. It's not important about brand, it's important buying lots of different colors, because it's really helpful and make your painting process more enjoyable, and it's have a reflection on result. So I make some parts and keep going. I'm supposed to make lighter part here. Calvin Klein decide pay me, I don't mind, you know, absolutely, because what I'm doing is looks already good, and I don't done yet.
Shadows, they follow you like an accomplice. Lost all of your dreams, the night is harder. My shadows, they follow you. My shadows, they follow you in the darkness.
Guys, I done with this Calvin Klein and Aleksandra Cherepanova design. So anyway, if you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and you can see more video like this.